Darling, I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Something to show you that I love you.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. What is it?
Just a minute, you'll see it.
Oh, I can't wait. Thank you.
You ready for the surprise?
Yes, I am. I can't wait.
Surprise!
What is this?
This is the key for her new home.
For real?
Sure! Happy Valentine!
Oh my God! I love it. This is all ours?
Yes, this is our new home.
Thank you.
The ultimate gift of love is a place to call home. Take advantage of our February offers and gift your loved one the gift of a lifetime for as low as 9.9 million. 2 and 3 bedroom units available at Grand Eben. Experience the grand life this Valentine's.